How to make money with Kartra, 7 easy steps. Okay, so you got Kartra and it's pretty cool. It's got all these different things it can do, but all software is kind of useless unless it can help you make money and save you time. And the good news is Kartra can do both of those things. In this video I'm going to give you 7 things you can do in Kartra to make money, and you're going to love it. And we're starting right now. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. There's a big subscribe button down there. If it's red, you need to click it, turn it gray, and then you need to turn on all bell notifications so you're notified every single time I do a new video. Okay, let's jump right into this Kartra thing. I love Kartra. I've been using it for probably 2-3 years, something like that. I've moved all my marketing there, and if you've got Kartra, you're gonna love it too. And if you don't have Kartra, I do have a link in the description down there. You can click on it and you can get a trial for only $1. But if you just click the link, you can watch a video and you can see all the cool things that Kartra does. So let's jump in here and look at the first thing you can do to make money in Kartra. Okay, so the first thing you can do to make money in Kartra is sell a course. Now I've got a bunch of courses make me so much money. I love them so much, and Kartra gives you all the tools you need to sell the course. They give you the email marketing. Okay, you can actually host your videos inside Kartra, and I really like this because that way you can tell how far into a video somebody's watched. You can actually look at their watch time in the course to see how far they've gone, and then you can automate emails or text to them congratulating them on how far they've gotten. Pretty cool stuff. Number 2, sell your services. Yes, you can sell your services. If you do things like copywriting or content editing or SEO or whatever it is that you do, Facebook ads management, you can actually do that and use Kartra to sell your services. It has all the tools that will help you do that. I like it because it has really good lead nurturing things you can use, like email sequences, and you can pull people out if they've done some things, and keep emailing people who haven't done certain things. So it's very dynamically oriented. Number 3, Kartra's affiliate program. I mean, I'm an affiliate. I want you to click that link down there. The affiliate program is awesome because they pay you 40% of whatever somebody's subscription is. So if somebody signs up for 99 bucks and you get 40%, it's around $38. So every month I'm going to get $38 from somebody who subscribes to Kartra. And I got to tell you, I don't promote things unless I really like them. I don't think I've ever promoted any type of email marketing thing before. No, as affiliate I've never have, but Kartra is different. I know that if you sign up for Kartra, you're going to love it so much that you're actually going to be happy with the recommendation I gave you. So you can make money on the affiliate program also. Number 4, drop shipping. You can set up products in there to actually have them drop ship. Now the cool thing we all know about drop shipping is you never have to really buy inventory. Once you sell the product, the manufacturer or the distributor will actually mail it out to your customers. So you can set up these pages inside of Kartra and start your own drop shipping store. You don't have to have Shopify or WordPress or anything. You can drive them just to these pages and make money. Number 5, third-party affiliate marketing. You can do third-party affiliate marketing. Now what do I mean by that? Let's say there's a product out there, whether it's on ClickBank or it's a physical product or whatever it is. You can actually build funnels in Kartra, and they've got a ton of them. They've got all these templates in there, and you can actually do your affiliate marketing in Kartra. I mean, Kartra really is an all-in-one package. When I got Kartra, I got rid of like 8 different pieces of software. It does pretty much everything I need it to do. Number 6, you can sell Kartra assets. Now what's a Kartra asset? When you get into Kartra, you're going to be building things. You're going to be building funnels, you're going to be building sales pages, you're going to be building courses, whatever it is. And if you want to have other people actually buy those from you, you can actually sell it to them. You can sell your sales pages, you can sell whatever you want in Kartra and make money off that. Not to mention the fact that if you have products in there that are selling and they're working really well for you, you can actually offer those to affiliates on Kartra. Number 7, you can offer your products that are in Kartra to other Kartra users. So here's how it works. When you set up a product in Kartra, you can tell Kartra that you want this product to be offered to affiliates, and as soon as you do that, it goes into their affiliate marketplace and other people can find that product and actually market it. When they send traffic to your page and somebody actually buys that product, then you get your commission. You didn't have to contact any affiliates, you didn't have to worry about payouts or any of that, because Kartra takes care of all that. You don't have to do any of it. You don't have to go into an affiliate network. You don't even have to leave this one program. It's like you could run your own business in this program and have other people marketing your stuff for you too. I mean, Kartra really is an all-in-one package. Heck, you may have set up a sales funnel that's working really well for you, and you know the sales funnel works and it's got emails and it's got all these different things. You can actually sell that to other people if you want, which is a pretty cool thing to be able to do. Now I will tell you, you want to get really familiar with Kartra. Some people will actually go into Kartra and they don't know what they're doing, they don't know how to work anything, and that was me in the beginning. But certain things, like it's the cart before the wheel type thing, when you have a page in Kartra, let's say it's an opt-in page where you want people to opt in and they put in their name and email, you actually have to go build that form first that's going to go in the page, okay, for that page to actually work. And the reason for that is every opt-in you can actually tag somebody. So maybe you've got an opt-in for woodworking, maybe you've got an opt-in for dog training, maybe you've got an opt-in for cooking. All of those different opt-in pages have to have a form on them, and that form is going to be tied to a thank you page, and it's going to be tied to a tag. And the important thing about tags is this is how you operate everything in Kartra. When you tag people that they're a buyer or they're an affiliate or they're whatever they are to your company, whatever they've done, whatever they've downloaded, you can then sort these people and you can do some real targeted marketing. And that's where the real money comes in. Once you can target people on Kartra with their behavior and all the things they've done, that's when you can really zoom in and make a lot of money on Kartra. Now I've got other videos on this channel on Kartra, and I would suggest you looking at all of them. But the big thing you've got to do, you've just got to do, is go down in the description and there is a link to Kartra. It doesn't cost you anything. You don't even have to put in a credit card. You have to put in your name. You don't have to put in anything. Just click the link down there and watch the video. I can almost guarantee you, if you watch this video, you're going to be blown away with all the things it does. And another thing I want to add about Kartra, I've had it, like I said, 2-3 years. I can't remember the exact time frame now, but it seems like weekly they come out with new things that you can do, and there's no extra charge for it. They never charge me more for it. And the one thing that Kartra does that no other email provider does, and they're not just an email provider, so I'm hesitant to call it that, but they do that also, is that they don't limit you on the number of emails. Now you say, well, you know, other email platforms will let you send as many as you want. They will, but they're going to charge you. In Kartra, they don't charge you based on how many emails you send out, which is insane. I mean, you could send out millions of emails and you don't pay anymore. You're only charged based on the number of contacts you have in there. So you want to keep that clean. You don't want to have extra ones lying around in there because you're paying for that. But the point is, you can market all you want now. You don't have these constraints. I remember being on other platforms where I worried, it's like, how many emails have I sent out? Am I going to go over my total this month? Am I going to be charged more? Kartra doesn't do that. I don't know how they do that. I really don't know how they do that, but they don't charge you more for extra emails. So that's going to save you a ton of money right there, and it really kind of opens up your mind as the kind of marketing that you want to do too, because now you're not limited. So don't take my word for it. Actually click on that video, watch the video, and see what it does. Now about pricing, I'm a little hesitant to say what pricing is because this video could be here for years. It's pretty current right now, but I think the entry level is around $99. And if you look at all the other softwares you're paying for, you look at ClickFunnels, I think ClickFunnels at the time of this recording was $297 a month. $297, and it only does a couple things, whereas Kartra does everything. It does email marketing, it does courses, you've got pages, sales pages, so you don't need like lead pages or anything like that. It's got all these, it's got the memberships in there, so you don't have to pay for a membership site someplace else. It's got all these things included, and for 99 bucks, guys, I mean, seriously. And I know everybody wants to do everything on the cheap, but you're going to find that some of these email providers that do things on the cheap, maybe a MailChimp or whoever it is, once you start to get over 500 names or 1,000 or 10,000 names, the price gets exorbitant. And I know when you first start out, you don't have a lot of names and you think, well, JR, I just want to save some money and I'm just going to start on one of these cheap sites. The problem with the cheap sites is when you grow, and you will grow if you work, and you get more names and you get more funnels and you get more things in there, it's really difficult to move it, very difficult to move it. Now I made the jump, I didn't care because I knew that Kartra was so much better, but it took us 6 months to move everything from Infusionsoft to Kartra. Infusionsoft now being called Keep, I believe, because they're trying to keep their customers. But it took us a long time, but it was so worth it. Just the deliverability of Kartra was worth it. I mean, I could send out an email and make more money from the get-go just because more people saw my email. They have great spam protection inside Kartra. They have so many things in there that are going to help you out. But think long-term. Don't think I'm going to do this on the cheap right now and I'm not going to spend any money. If you do that in the beginning, you're not really taking your business seriously. And I really want you to take it seriously, because if you take it seriously and you say, yeah, it is a business, and yeah, I am going to grow, then you probably will. But if you say, yeah, I'm going to try this out, I'm going to see if it works, I don't know if it's going to work or not, it does work. It does work. It may not have worked for you yet, okay, or you know, maybe you've tried something and it didn't work, but it doesn't mean it doesn't work. It just means that what you did didn't work. Okay, you got to keep that in mind. It does work. It wouldn't exist, right? These platforms wouldn't exist if email marketing didn't work, if sales pages didn't work, if selling courses didn't work. Nobody would be doing it. But that's not the case. There's millions upon millions of people doing it, which tells you right there that it works. So I hope I've convinced you to use Kartra. I've showed you some ways to make money on Kartra. It's really that simple. If you just follow this method right here, you can make tremendous money in Kartra. But if you have questions about this, you still don't understand something, put a comment in the section below. If you put a comment down there, I will answer you. I'll do my best to answer you, unless I get too many, but I'll do my best to answer you. It can be about Kartra. It can be about anything that you're selling online. I've sold digital courses, I've sold physical courses. We've sold millions of dollars of products online, and in doing so, we've learned a couple things, and I want to share that with you on this channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget, ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications. That bell notification is really important, because if you just subscribe and you don't turn on the bell notifications, you're not going to be notified when I do a new video. You're not going to be notified when I go live, which I go live, shoot, every day right now. I've been doing a lot of lives, so you'll miss out on all that. So make sure you do all that. I really appreciate you watching, and I also have a course below that you can grab. It's a $97 course. For a limited time, I'm giving it away absolutely free. It's a click and learn course, no credit card required. Thank you so much for listening to this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.